The Eyoyo 2D QR barcode scanner is designed to endure harsh environments, making it an ideal choice for warehouses and manufacturing floors. This scanner offers versatile connectivity options, including 2.4 gigahertz wireless, Bluetooth 6.0, and USB wired connections, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and operating systems. Featuring an IP65 rating, the Eyoyo scanner is both waterproof and dustproof, allowing it to function reliably in challenging conditions such as dusty warehouses and wet environments. The ergonomic design of the Eyoyo barcode scanner provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use, and includes a wrist strap for added convenience. With 3 scanning modes, manual trigger, continuous scanning, and auto-sensing, the Eyoyo scanner offers flexibility for various scanning needs and can store up to 100,000 barcodes in storage mode. Built for durability, the Eyoyo scanner can withstand up to 100 drops from 3 meters and 7,000 tumbles from 1 meter, ensuring long-term reliability and reducing maintenance costs.